I have yet another Temu haul. This is 2 small hauls put together, and it's not influencer haul, it's just stuff I bought. So it's an assortment of odds and ends. And these nice bags. And I forgot what it was already. Oh, this thing is Mr. Retro's item. This is for one of those blister packs of pills. And every once in a while I get like Sudafed or something, and it's... So you put the blister pack in there and you pop it like that, and it pops a pill out into this thing, supposedly. But some of those are really tough. So we'll see if it crushes the pill or not. I don't know. So I will report. Oh, and then it opens up. You dump them out. But I hate those blister packs. They're terrible. So we will give this a shot next time we get something that's in a blister pack. Because those are annoying. He usually uses a X-Acto knife. Well, I don't remember what was in this. Oh, I think it's a little shirt. Oh, yes. These little shirts are pretty good, these little dog shirts. So I will customize these for my pet pig. I got a red one and a gray one. I have a black one. I had to kind of take them in a little bit. They were a little bit big, but we'll see. They're kind of a polyester-y stuff, which is okay for a dog. I don't like to wear this stuff, but the dog doesn't care. They got fur. But I think, and these were like $1.28, and I think this was like maybe $1 something. So reasonably priced. Oh, and then these are some hooks he got for in the. We thought we were getting. They show a pack of like 3 or 4, but you got to pay attention. You're only getting one. He thought he was getting. I can't open this. He thought he was getting a pack of several of these. I think these. He's got the screws in there. Yeah. It's a garage hook. I think he wanted these for hanging cords or something. But actually, they're heavy duty. They look pretty good. I think they were like $4, $5 for the big one, three something. I don't remember now. But they're heavy duty, and he'll give these a shot. But we thought we were getting more. I think there's another one in here. Yeah. Oh no, this is the bigger one. That was a small one. This is he wanted this long one, I think, for putting extension cords in the garage. I think. And what else? Oh, shoelaces. I got several of these shoelaces for him. These are the elastic ones. And you put them in your shoes, and then you cut them, and then you put these thingies on the end, and so then you don't have to tie your shoes. It's just elastic. You just put your slip in and out. He really likes them, and someone told me that these are like 98 cents on Temu, and I think they're like $4 or $5 on Amazon. Probably made in the exact same factory. I find that over and over. Exact same item on Amazon. And probably all made the same place. And let's see. Oh, these cotton gloves I got. It's getting cold here. And when it gets cold, my hands get so dry, I can't stand it. And I'm going to put... I've been using dollar store diaper ointment on my hands because they're so cracked and dry. And let's see how these fit. Oh, these are pretty good. These are good to put on at night, and you can put bag balm or there's something else my friend uses. I think it's a CeraVe. But I also will use Vicks Vapor Rub. Is awesome for your feet and hands, but you got to cover it up, or just regular old Vaseline. So these were cheap too. Several pair of these cotton gloves are handy. It's that time of year when they get really super sore. This is a Instant Lift and Tighten stuff. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, come on. Out of here. Oops. a lot of their stuff made me break out, so I don't know about this one. Come on. There. It's like a gel. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have Mr. Retros try it first. But I don't know. Maybe this won't make me break out. You know, and I'll try it on my hand. My hand doesn't, but it's after repeated use, then I get these little bumps. This doesn't want to go on. Maybe it's there. I don't know. It doesn't seem very good. It's kind of slimy. I don't know. This may go back. It wasn't expensive, but it seems kind of yuck. Let's see. What else did I get? Oh, this is a repeat buy. This is one of these little, there's one of these crummy little short charging cords. These are good though. So you charge it there. I think it's a micro charger, and it's just a pen light. Mr. Retros likes these. You can just put it in his pocket and use this at work. And oh, this is some chains. I'm going to make a couple necklaces. I thought these links were bigger. They looked bigger in the picture, but I think they'll be okay. They're sort of paperclip type. I would have preferred the bigger paperclip, but I think they were like $1 or something. And I also got it in gold. And then I got these charms I was going to put on them. These are little dollar horses that I was going to put on the chains to make a cute necklace. And I got them in silver too. These are smaller, but I thought it might be kind of cute. Yeah, these are like the little Swedish horses. And I got another, oh, these are cute. I have these in silver. They were like 98 cents, 89 cents. They're very, very cute. Let me see if I can get one out. Very small. It's just little, these are the gold Chihuahua earrings. So I like these. It just fuck off my, I don't know, that stuff is kind of weird. Yeah. And I got this cute headband that matches my shoes. Little cute plaid headband. Be very cute for Christmas. What else? What's this? Oh, this is cute too. This is really cute. Oh, it's not on the chain. There's a chain in there. It's a cute little Chihuahua necklace. I have a cute little black and white chi. It's very nice. And oh, I got this as that knockoff. I think it's YSL. I think it's either YSL or Louis Vuitton. I can't remember. And I saw the ad for it, and it's this robot cologne, and it smells really good. And it's got a spray bottle here. But he tried. It's men's cologne, but it's a kind of a neat bottle, and it's got some writing on the bottom that I can't read. So that's it. And then I was going to show you. I was going to do, these are really awesome. If you need a little tightening up, these drag queens been using these for years. And I thought I would, I tried the other ones. Yeah. Oh, these are exactly the same. It's just a different package. These, I will show you how I do them. Let me get that slimy stuff off my hand. Okay. They just come like a, it's like a Band-Aid kind of. I will demo. There is a learning curve to these, but just keep at it. Whatever you want to tighten. Okay, you just peel off like that. And then there's these tabs on the back. I peel off that first one. Then I take this one and pull it down a little bit. Okay, how to do it on my... You put it where you want it, and then peel that one off, and then this will stretch. See how that stretches there? And go like that. Nice and tight. Make sure it's really smooth, and then you peel this off. Of course you don't. See how that pulls? That's pretty good. Of course you don't want this on your face, but you know, you pull it up, you can pull it up your hairline, you can pull it up behind your ear, you can pull it up wherever, you know, all sorts of, these guys are showing it by the ear. I don't think I'd want to get this stuck in my hair too bad, but they work pretty good and they'll last all day. So that's not bad. So if you're inclined, give them a shot. And they're like $1 something, $2 maybe. I think there's like 40 of them here. They call them Bobo label. Okay, and then you just peel them off. Ugh, I can get it off. There it is. There you go. And it just comes off like that. You throw it away. So those are cool too. So I will go work on these and I will see you later. Bye-bye.